Potatoes. Potatoes may look like a simple food that many people often see in meals, but the history, structure, use in cooking, and global impact of potatoes are much more interesting than we might think. From how they grow under the soil to their final form on our plates, potatoes have many interesting details. Now, let's look at 10 interesting and scientifically supported facts about potatoes. 1. A potato is actually a tuber that grows under the soil. A potato is the part of the plant that grows under the soil. The plant stores food there, and we actually eat this storage part. So, a potato can be seen as a small food store where the plant keeps its energy. It looks very simple from the outside, but it has a very important job for the plant. 2. The origin of the potato is very old. The history of the potato goes back to South America. People started growing potatoes thousands of years ago around the Andes Mountains. Later, potatoes spread to Europe and other parts of the world. So the potato we see as very normal and simple today actually came to our tables after a long historical journey. 3. Potatoes are a staple food in many parts of the world. Potatoes are not just a snack. In many countries, people use potatoes in main meals. They can be made into soup, baked, boiled, fried, or mashed. That is why potatoes are an important food that feeds people in many parts of the world. 4. Whether potatoes are healthy or not depends on how they are prepared. The potato itself is a natural food, but if it is fried in a lot of oil, has too much salt added, or is eaten in very large portions, it can become a heavier food. Boiled or baked potatoes are usually simpler options. 5. We should be very careful with green potatoes. When potatoes are exposed to sunlight, they can sometimes turn green. This may show that some unwanted natural substances in the potato have increased. So it is safer not to eat potatoes that are green or taste bitter. 6. Potatoes are not only carbohydrates. Many people think of potatoes only as carbohydrates, but potatoes also contain water, fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and other nutrients. So, when prepared in the right way, potatoes can have a useful place in nutrition. It would be incomplete to see potatoes only as a food for frying. 7. The taste of potatoes changes with the cooking method. If we boil the same potato, it tastes different. If we fry it, it tastes different. If we bake it, it tastes different again. Heat, oil, water, and cooking time change the taste and texture of potatoes. That is why potatoes are very versatile in the kitchen. One day they can become a soft mash, and another day they can become crispy French fries. 8. Potatoes can keep us full for longer than we think. Potatoes may look like a simple food, but especially boiled potatoes can make a person feel full for a long time. This is because they contain water, fiber, and starch. These parts can help potatoes feel more filling. That is why potatoes are used in many meals not only for taste, but also for fullness. 9. Potatoes have even been tested for growing in space. Potatoes are not only interesting in fields on Earth, they are also interesting in studies about space farming. This is because potatoes are filling, nutritious, and productive. Scientists have studied basic foods like potatoes to understand how growing plants in space might be possible. 10. Potatoes can turn into many different foods. Potatoes can be made into mashed potatoes, chips, boiled potatoes, baked potatoes, and potato salad. They can also be used in soups, pastries, and some types of bread. Sometimes they are a small side dish next to the main meal. Sometimes they become the star of the meal. That is why the potato is a special food that looks simple, but can take many different forms in the kitchen. As we can see, the potato is not just an ordinary food on our plate. It is a special food that grows under the soil, gives people energy, has spread around the world, and can take many different forms in the kitchen. Which of these facts surprised you the most? How do you like to eat potatoes the most? Share your thoughts in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for new videos. Thank you for watching.